Hey everyone, this is Nate with Dubs Cards, and today we're going to open up 3 cello packs of 1987 tops. They came with 31 cards and 1 stick of that great bubble gum. I bought these, if you saw my last video, from a person on eBay. They had a bunch. Everything smells good. They don't sound like they came from a bad home. Oh wow, Ruben Sahara right off the bat. Put that one up there, I guess. So, without further ado, Doug Sisk, Steve Yeager, Odaby, Tim Leary, Don Mattingly. That's a great card. So let's set him up. Oh, Bruce. We got, Rick Cerrone. Great TTMer. Alvin Davis, Kevin Gross, Mitch Webster, Dick Hauser. And here's the gum. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, yeah, that's edible. 100%. Here's some propaganda. Pat Tabler, Mickey Templeton, Dewey Evans. Played his whole career with the Red Sox. What a great player. Denny Martinez, Jory, Tom. Oh, Dwight Gooden. All these have a little bit of a hit on the top. Looks like the pack was not well cared for too much, but got to put my boy up there. He's one of my favorite players. Phil, and that's it. That back card took a hit. This one's got some damage. But that's not bad for a first pack here. I bought all these in one lot. It came with the 89s, came with the 87s. I think I ended up paying about 90 cents a pack total. It was 20 some odd dollars with shipping. And I ended up getting 22 total packs. Pete Inclaviglia, the bottom took a real big hit on that. Ricky Henderson, this one took a hit. Robin Yount, Steve Farr, George Bell, Keith Moreland, Andy McGaffigan, stuck to Dave Stewart, and the gum is still good. So there's a Keith Hernandez, Hubie Brooks, Juan Samuel, Larry Parrish, Jim Wolford, Denny Martinez. Wasn't there a Denny Martinez in that last pack? Yeah. One in each pack. I thought I recognized the face. So this is the last pack. This one was odd. This card was backwards. I guess they shouldn't be that way. I'm not saying they should. They shouldn't. Every pack I've ever seen has, they're all facing one direction. So it looks like, I guess they're all over the place. I guess this is oh, no way. No kidding. That was the card on the front? No way. Huh. When I bought this lot on there, it didn't say that they were all, not all of them, but they didn't say there was hits on them. It's odd somebody would sell that and not kind of emphasize the fact it's a Mark McGwire on there. Pack should have been more than 90 cents. Well, that's a good one. It's not his rookie. He has other ones, but that's a pretty decent card. No kidding. So we got a good one right off the bat. Kind of just buzz through some of these. Steve Bedrock Bedrosian. Bob Rogers. Here's a Keith All-Star card. Gum, that's definitely edible. Here's another Dwight Gooden. 2 Goodens in this pack. In these packs. With a Keith All-Star. Throw that one up there too. For my Mets boys in the audience that like the Mets. Bob Walk, another Dwight Evans. Another Denny Martinez. We got one of them in all 3 packs. So that's an omen. You see a Denny Martinez, good things are coming. Or have already showed up. Depending on which way you look at the pack. Vince Coleman. Another Keith Hernandez. So all in all, not a bad run of packs. I mean, they are 87 tops. I got this one aside. I'm going to TTM that one. We got a Mark McGuire. I can add that to our box of goodness. And a Dwight Gooden. Look at that. Pretty decent shape. We'll put one of those in there. Keith Hernandez, good shape. We'll put one of those in there. And we'll put the Ruben Sahara. Why not? So I'll throw those in there with the Mattingly. And that'll do it. It looks like the channel's getting popular. I am getting ready to do a giveaway. If not, it may have already happened. It will involve some gum. But give us a like. Give us a subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your neighbors. And it's Nate with Dubs Cards. Over and out.